this is the overtaking manoeuvre of Valentino Rossi.
And at the top of their game as well. That was the one at turn 4.
Set yourselves down, this could be an hour row. Lorenzo, Rossi, Stoner, all of them brought. The second of Cagliari were underway. Big wheelie from Tony Elias from that second row. The grid didn't get a great start. Casey Stoner gets away well on board of the gas. It's a long, long run down this kilometre-long straight to the line. And look at Danny Pedrosa. He's firing it up. And he's going to come up the order into about 5th position. It's going to be Lorenzo leading. Andy de Villiers, Victor Kallio. Tony Elias has got in front of Marco Melandri. Those two. Oh, Tony Elias. Tony Elias goes down in the Caixa corner. He said, moments now. Here he comes down the straight. Jorge Lorenzo.
Ayo,
He's going to
Rossi.
take the lead. He does. Maybe stick this time round. Rossi trying to get around the outside, then on the inside of the right-hander. Rossi almost through. Lorenzo, absolute limit. Oh, look at him. Rossi on the inside. Rossi